Let's solve this question together. It says 6 raised to power x is equal to 4x and required to solve for x. Okay, so how do we do this? First thing to say is that we can express 48 to be equal to 6 times 2 raised to power 3. Right? 2 raised to power 3 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48. Okay, so we can now say that 6 raised to power x is equal to 6 times 2 raised to power 3. Okay, now moving on from here, we can say let's take the logarithm to base 6 of both sides. And why are we taking the logarithm to base 6? Because 6 is the thing carrying the x. Okay, so we say logarithm to base 6 of 6 to the power x is equal to logarithm to base 6 of 6 times 2 to the power 3. Okay, moving on from here, we can say x times logarithm to base 6 of 6 is equal to logarithm to base 6 of 6 plus logarithm to base 6 of 2 to the power 3. Okay, because when you have times in logarithm, you replace it with plus. Okay, now logarithm of 6 to base 6 is 1, so we have x is equal to logarithm to base 6 of 6 is 1 plus 3. Okay, when you have something like this, you multiply the power with a log. Okay, so 3 times logarithm to base 6 of 2. This becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.